You.
Hey, good afternoon, man. My name is Officer Warner with Halifax Police Department. Are you aware of why I pulled you over today?
No.
Are you,
no, sir.
Are you familiar with vehicle code 1739? Well, it's actually against the law to drive on a hot day without an ice cream cone. So, on behalf of the Halifax Police Department, we're just making sure that everybody's following all the laws today and are driving with ice cream cones. Like I said, I'm Officer Warner. This is Chief of Police Lance here in Halifax. And we just wanted to make sure you guys were in compliance.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
Are you okay?
Oh my God!
Well, you guys have a great day.
Y'all too.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good day, brother.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo ajidefo. Bale mabu nyo. Me bua me yire ene o masi. Nti me ma na yesra mo mu ofi amomo amoyire no. Mo sonfo Abubakar Saka no afre male mabu nyo. Enti me bua me yire no masi nti na me mani monyam ni minim de. Ani de ya me dia na so ate ya. Na eso nti. Enti ya besra mo. Me ma no. Eya amommo amoyire no aduma wo fi se mu wo fi na mo nko ba bia.
Yeah, brother, so busy. Querida. Quero que diga tchau. Tchau. Eh. Tchau. Ha.